Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by setting immediate prerequisites. Confirm team size and assign primary and backup roles so no one improvises. Once done, place your tether markers on the spiral origin and call the rotation direction clearly, clockwise or counterclockwise. You move first, bait the boss to the origin, apply the initial debuff stack, and step exactly 1 unit outward to trigger the spiral pattern. Make sure to communicate timing. Use countdowns so everyone rotates in sync and avoids overlapping paths. Now execute the steady spiral. You keep a consistent 3-5 meter gap and follow the person ahead at a slight delay. Once the pattern starts, stagger your steps by 1/2 to 1 second to prevent path collisions. This creates a smooth helix. While moving, monitor and manage debuffs, swap with the next assigned player or cleanse at the marked checkpoint. Also, rotate cooldowns so defensive and healing abilities are available during the mid-phase. This prevents burst failures. To finish, you complete the last loop and converge to the designated safe zone within 3 seconds, applying assigned finishing mechanics like burst damage or an area heal. Once the spiral ends, verify all debuffs are cleared and redistribute any remaining stacks. If something goes wrong, for example, players overlap or the spiral collapses, stop movement immediately, call a reset, and re-establish spacing before restarting the sequence. This quick reset prevents wipes and keeps momentum intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.